A teenage boy is dead following a shooting in Scarborough this afternoon. Mercy crews were called to the area of Birchmount Road and Glendower Circuit just south of Finch shortly before 2 o'clock. Toronto police say a male teen was located at a hospital with gunshot wounds. Soon after, he was rushed by ambulance to another hospital in life-threatening condition. He was pronounced dead a short time later. Investigators are looking for 2 male suspects. One of the suspects was last seen wearing a red hat, a red shirt, and tan-colored shorts. The second suspect had a black hoodie.
YouTube, welcome back to the vlogs. Remember again, my people, it's 416-876 Jamaica. That. And again, people, if you're new here, I do a lot of street vlog videos, so show different parts of Toronto. Like I show a lot of the beaches, the ghettos, and the malls, food prices, furniture, shopping, and stuff like that for the dream house in Jamaica. Cause you don't know, we started this channel out with the Airbnb in Jamaica, right? So you guys will see a lot more video and content of that coming up right now, very soon. Again, so in Jamaica, now people, the Jamaican side of it, we do videos of showing the same streets and stuff like that down there, waterfall, the beach, and the house project and house material and how much for the prices and stuff. But right now, people, we're in a different hood, and it's called Glendower. Let me see it. So we're at Glendower and Birchmount. So this is one of the hoods that's in the east side of Scarborough. Alright, my peeps. So right now I'm gonna walk up to a spot that someone was recently got hit up in this area. So I'm just trying to not really document it, but I'm just trying to show the area of what went down and stuff like that. I don't know why he got shot up or anything, but this was just one of the neighborhood on the list. They told me I gotta do it, and yeah. And for the person out there who I say, oh, I'm afraid we go any place, nah, it's not that I'm afraid, it's that I'm just trying to be safe and I know where I need to go or not to go. So this is like a memorial thing they got for him for the latest knockings that happened here around probably 2 months ago or something like that. So just checking it out. But yeah, that was this area right now. But now we're gonna go walk around this vibe and see. I don't know if I could ask one of these guys some question about the neighborhood and see what they can tell me. Can I ask you a question, brothers? I'm not put the camera on you guys. Yeah, I was just asking a question about the neighborhood. You know what I mean?
Oh, the neighborhood?
Yeah.
Oh, I just came to this place.
You just came to the place, eh? Alright. Alright, man. Thanks, alright? Yeah, so.
It's a nice camera you have.
Respect, brother. Respect. I'm just vlogging the neighborhood, you know?
Where'd you get it?
Amazon.
Amazon?
Yeah, DJI Pocket 3.
Nice.
Alright. Well, let's go see the neighborhood right now. See if I could walk around here. I just got one of my boys. He told me about the hood. I said these people, this side, Glendower area, so you always have a fight with the next side called Bay Mills. I don't know where Bay Mills is, but he says probably the next side up from where I am. So he said those guys, they're always in a fight, always in a war with that side, with this side. So I'm gonna walk out the community housing very soon. I'm just gonna walk up to this building and then go around, see if we can talk to anyone. If we could find anyone we can talk to, we talk to them and see what the community is around this area. But right now we're in the Glendower area and Birchmount. So yeah. And again, my people, I do these vlog videos for a lot of people who haven't been to the areas in a long time and just like, oh wow, damn, it's my old area and stuff. And my life to do them in the evening time when it's more gloomy, so it look more grungy. Right? Yeah, man, like the grungy feel. So I always just come out in the evening time and say, yeah, we'll get some videos done. So I think he said over the next side, that's Bay Mill side. So we're not gonna go Bay Mill side. We're just gonna go straight through this Glendower here, or Glendower, or whatever. Can't pronounce the name and call it. But this is the area. Probably this vlog won't be that long. Let's walk around to the street side. Now I hear some people talking. Don't know if we can talk to one of them. I hear one of them have to say. You know? Can see a one man on the side outside, so see if we can talk to this one guy. So this is like housing. I don't know if it's housing. Got a big ass dog. Holy, it's a big dog, people. Yeah, man. But this is one of the blocks, one of the communities them. You see it? Shit. I'm trying to talk to that guy, but he's walking away. Can't talk to nobody around here. Alright. So this is the area. Probably like a waterfall type of vibe here and stuff and thing. That guy I wanted to talk to. See if I could talk to him about the area and see still my halfway. Family. Now put the camera on him. Can I ask you 2 questions? Alright, good man.
I'm supposed to be outside.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, so look like this here is a little tense type of vibe too. Like I can just smell it in the air. But I'll try to go talk to one of these guys, but let me walk through. Let me just walk around here and then walk back through the hood and see what I go on at the end of the day. Nice little playground too. Like them just renovate this one. It's like it's brand new. But I don't really see nobody where we can really talk to and tell us to walk through the area too. Right, but I just them say over here is not one of the safest place to be. But again, all these places they look just so safe to me, or the same to me. And I like if me there Jamaica my people. But you know when you go on garrison, you know see a zinc fence board house type of settings. And you know say you look on some of my man them face, them bleach out and rugged. You know say them man they will do your arm. No. These people around here so them different. A nice house and community housing and stuff like that. And remember me tell you something. They not put it on them face, but them will do you something. And I just saw it stay run on these type of places. But me go walk through these areas though, just to show you guys. You know. But so far so good. Nobody not approach me on anything like that, on a negative vibe. Just that talking to my brother and I say, yo, make sure you're safe around them places there, you know. So see kids them outside. It's a lot of fun. Enjoy them time. See them way. Yeah, hello. It's a camera. Alright, so. No. Some place lockdown and stuff like that. I mean, people come from work and stuff too. So one person I'm gonna talk to. Next Ella outside too. So I'm gonna go in a circle with this right now, my people. Showing the area. What's up, daddy? So this is just one of the area them. I'm gonna walk in a circle to show you guys what I go on around this block. But back in the days, people, and so if I come around them area, it's very spooky, very crazy back in the days them. So nobody can drop your you can drop your comments below to let us know how spooky this place was back in the days, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So that right there, that put me back probably on Finch. I think that's Finch Avenue right there. So let's not go to Finch. Let's go around here. So I'm telling people, watch out, big yard space, them have all them things there, my people. And then just mess it up. I know so them here housing, you know. Yeah, man, some of them here just housing. And upon all the big yard space them have to. You know, get them not on condo no more or nothing like that, you know, my people. So people that move up them here, think big God thanks. They wanna brick out nice. Probably years them wanna live them and I think them sell them. But if them sell them, probably townhouses too. So they probably do sell them. This is the backyard of some of these places around here. I'm gonna walk around to the next area. See what go on. The end of the day. So again, my people, not much to really showcase. Now like a parking lot downstairs too. Can't go over there. I think a couple more houses around this side. I'm not really seeing the youths outside. I'm gonna ask no question. And stuff like that. So I could grow over this. Just some more, but now I go really get involved with her. You understand? So I could walk again. Let's go around this area right now. Like nobody really live over there yard, yeah. Well plant up, no one nice up. I think this is more where the hoods probably stop because these are more the townhouses. I'm gonna walk up and then go back around. Just to show you a little bit more of the place and stuff. This time I not do it in a wireless mic. I try to see the difference, my people, with the audio with this new camera. What sound better? I wanna sound better. You understand? And right now it's in the fall time. But they look like him is a drinker. Whole heap of buckle him have to sell out, you know. Yeah, they need to keep together though. Upon all the nice backyard you get for yourself, my people. Yeah. Them lucky with land space around here, so you know, my people. Watch there. People are lucky with land space, man. Nah lie. Over there, so now look like it's like a backyard vibe, a broke down type of vibe. But that, so I can walk it through again and see what I go on. Again, my people, them say the place is spooky, like the place they rent out, nobody no live there. Place look empty. Them say the place is spooky, you know. But again, start getting cold, so whole heap of people not really probably outside like that right now. Everybody have them barbecue. Cause be a big yard, backyard. Most me have a backyard like this. Every day and I summer me that barbecue. No joke. Fix up my backyard very nice too, you know. Every summer me that chill around here, so you know, my people. Yeah, man. I live in an apartment at different vibes, different settings. At the end of the day, though, so I just that, you know. Do the dope still. I'm sure not the work, but again, my people, this is the place not look as scary as some Jamaican community that look. For the Jamaica, because I walk through a place there in Central Village and go down all night lane bottom or all big lane or go a Island lane or Compound and Chinatown and go walk through all of them places there, my people. Or I walk through Spanish Town and a Thai Spain and Top Banks and all of them places there, my people. You see the griminess when me talk about, you know. But when I get some of them videos there, also when they back in the place in Jamaica, I go through the place same way, man. I want to bring no negative energy with because you don't know how Jamaica run and how Jamaica stay at the end of the day, right? But right now, we're still there up on the outskirt and still have to go on outside here, so a couple solar panel and you know. But again, my people, them have some big backyard, man. Like, me jealous. And a townhouse, them, you know, my people, like them people that live here long time, so them get away with murder. Yeah, man. Then get away with murder if you live around here, so now, man, with them big backyard there, bro. You wish I get something like that in a Toronto right now. No, you ain't gonna find that. So anybody who get on a townhouses them from back of the days and back of dog days, gonna be happy. Cause right now, no nah get none of that. Yeah, man. Backyard space, you can park up your bikes, them. You know, you could, like, I wish me that my family would come in in time there. I could get a nice good townhouse. God no. But I did it right now. Townhouse come with basement and vibe and, you know. But this is the Glendower area. I don't know what the housing, cause that's just the last like a project housing I see. Over that side, man, I think there's no more housing. So I think I always around the housing units. The projects here, they're mostly there. You understand? So, I don't think there's nothing more really record from this area. But so far, so good. Probably go back over this part of the youth. Get clap up a couple of weeks ago. And do a last video over there, so. But if you see anybody or could I talk to, that would be great. So they could explain to us how the neighborhood run, or what happened, and stuff like that, right? But we don't really see nobody to explain to us still, so we just are gonna leave it alone at the end of the day. But that's just sad. Toronto, another nice place sometimes, different areas. Just yesterday I watching news and there's been like probably like 6, 7, 8 shooting in one day in Toronto. All around, right? So I don't know, one nice place at the end of the day, my people. So I just say it go more time still. And people, I now compare my videos to Jamaican videos. And like I said, it's called 416 to 876 Jamaica. So I do videos for both sides. Alright. And right, yes, that was the memorial shooting. I understand. Let me see if I can get a nice good video. 1 second, my people. So right here's my people. Right, that's where the guy died. Yeah, man. Glendower, the famous convenience store. Yeah, man. One of my friends used to own a convenience store there too, you know, but that, say less. When I really see nothing more around here to vlog about, I think that's gonna be the end of the video. Community. Blessings, Daddy. Blessings. I can't ask you any question about the community.
No, I'm not even from around here.
Alright, bless up, Daddy.
Bless that up.
Alright, brother. Yeah, so I'm gonna come out and look around. People like scared of the community. Man, afraid. I'm telling you, my people. Some people don't really like the area them and stuff like that, and people have beef with people and stuff like that. So gonna call it a wraps now, my people, and we're gonna get the hell out of here. And that's it. We just show the next ghetto, the next block, and we're just gonna get in our car and just move away. Cause when you have a camera show the neighborhood, you know, I don't want nobody come up to you and argue with you or stuff like that. But this is the famous Glendower or whatever the cartel talk about in I'm track and I'm song them too. So we just get all of the different neighborhoods. So the next stop, my virgin tell me, a next place called Bay Mills Farm or Bay Mills Road or something like that. Again in the east side, and then thinking tell me Victoria Park and Finch, must Chester Lee or something like that. So we might complete the east side and then we'll back to the west side. And next brother and I come in section say, I think we have a probably Parkdale area. So we have a couple more vlogs for job for the different area them. And again, people, when I do them things have negative energy or negative vibe, I just show the community and stuff like that. If people want to come on it and talk and show them, tell us their experience, I just that. I'm going to do this for worldwide people, them. Everybody who watch this too. You understand? So, again, people, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and bless upon yourself. I'm out.